my goal of this conversation is to make sure that when you go back home to Romania, that you understand at least what we just did well enough that you could execute it for one of your clients.
Okay, yeah.
So what questions about that do you have, if any?
So for the test, I understand like everything. I know how to apply them, but what do I do when the test comes?
Meaning, what do you do with the results?
Yeah.
So the movement screen or the strength assessments?
The movement screen.
So the movement screen, I know that you're planning to go through the immersion course. So for now, what you would do with the movement screen is you would modify things according to what you found.
Okay.
So you look at the movements and you say, okay, common sense, which movements in the gym look like these for that joint,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I'm going to limit the range of motion on these, or I'm going to let them go. It's yellow light. I'm going to let them go and make decisions on the fly about how are they feeling today? How did they sleep last night? All of these things.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
And then as far as the strength stuff goes, you're just starting to design programs for people, and that's where the group model fails, right? That's where the group model is great to get the average healthy person fit.
Yeah.
The problem is most people have something that needs more attention than other stuff.
Yeah.
And if it's causing symptoms, it needs way more attention than other stuff. So that's where the strength testing also comes in really handy.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, cool.
What other questions you have?
Nothing, to be honest.
Okay.
I'm okay with everything now.
How did you like the heavy slow how did the heavy slow resistance stuff feel? The slower down, faster up?
It's always I don't know, a nag.
Yeah.
when I have it in my program, it's so hard, and I actually know that I need more of these,
Mm-hmm.
but
you hate it, so you don't want to ask for it.
Yeah.
Well, how did it feel here compared to what it's been like when you're at home doing it on your own? Was it different?
No, I knew it's gonna hurt, especially when like we have one leg movement, like
Mhm.
split squats or pistols or whatever.
Right. Did the range of motion, was it here different than what you're used to doing at home?
Not really. No, if I warm up a little bit, I'm
Perfect.
exactly the same.
So then what it sounds like to me is that we just need to give you more of it.
Yeah.
Because that should clear up what's bothering you. So we just need to make sure you're doing enough of it.
Yeah, some more volume.
Yeah, it's going to be just a longer program. Like it's probably going to be from now all the way until the Open.
Okay.
I mean, we're looking at what, 8 weeks right now, 9 weeks.
Yeah, it's the
October 10th is the Open.
6th. So,
Today's
yeah,
the 6th, so you're
2 months.
Yeah, so we need every single minute of those 2 months, plus the entire time that the Open's going on, because my expectation is you're going to qualify again, and we want to get you back through all the necessary volume so you can handle the load.
Yeah, so I'll have to integrate all of this in my workout schedule, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
So remember, you have a limited amount of time.
Yeah.
So it's where is your time best spent focusing? And I imagine your engine is there. Your strength is not going to get much better in 2 months.
Yeah.
So to me, the focus should be keeping your engine where it is. And bringing that up because that can happen fast.
Yeah.
Maintaining your strength and improving your tendon health.
Yeah.
That's where I would be going.
I can go like reverse tendon health and then the other.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's you can build engine strength and improve your tendon health at the same time. It's just how you do it, right? We don't want to do a lot of what we call cyclic loading, which is when you're down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
This is what I did the whole year since the knee started to hurt.
Okay.
I was like doing some recovery, some rehab exercises,
Mhm.
feeling better, doing CrossFit, feeling worse,
Right.
and so on.
So we just need to finish a course,
I should, yeah.
and that should do the job for you.
And yeah, so let's say primarily I want and I have to qualify for the games again.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I spoke with my coach, and he said we can take 2 months even off, so
Yeah.
we can do the knee.
Well, it would be a continuation.
Or if we can do that, even better. I mean, do the.
We start now, so the Open doesn't beat the crap out of you. You get through the Open, we start over again, but we increase the range of motion,
Okay.
right? And we increase the weight, so we just cycle you through this probably for 4 to 5 months in total. You can do all of your training the second time through. The first time through, you want to manage it carefully.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah. Sounds great. Sounds
Awesome.
great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Any other questions? I want you to leave today as I flew from Romania to Wisconsin to New York, and it was worth it.
Yeah, no, everything is good. Yeah.
That's enthusiasm from a Romanian, just so you know. That's the look right there. See, that's it. That's the enthusiastic look.
No,
That's,
I'm just tired. I woke up at 4 a.m. I only
4
slept
a.m.?
we had a flight at 6.
wow, I appreciate you making the trip.
Yeah,
Man. That's cool.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Can I ask you some questions about the games?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So, the obvious question, maybe not to you, but to me, is what was it like as somebody who qualified as a national champion, raised money, flew across to Wisconsin, got to do one workout? I know you would have liked to have done more.
Yeah.
I think you're fit enough to have done more. What was that like for you when you were there? Was it awesome? Was it disappointing? Was it a combination? What was it like?
So yeah, you can say it was a combination, but like the beginning and everything we went through, like when they gave us the clothes and everything, it was awesome. It was an awesome experience, and I loved every second of it. Of course, I wanted to qualify and make the first cut and do more than one workout. But what I got to see is that the guys that usually you see them in the CrossFit Games, they're not that unbeatable. You know? I saw that they're vulnerable, so you can beat them.
Right.
Yeah.
So how does that change the way that you're going to take your mindset back to Romania?
Oh, I just want to go and train. Really. I know I can do a lot better next year. A lot.
Is that crazy to you, being that you were for 2 years in a row, you're the fittest guy in Romania?
This was the third.
Third year in a row.
Yeah.
So was it surprising to you that you feel now like you're leaving a lot of fitness on the table given what you saw in person? Are you surprised that there's more that you could be doing?
I not necessarily surprised. For like let's say a year now, or even more, I didn't have like a reason to like train anymore or do better or just compete and stuff. I was like, I'm never gonna make it to even the regionals before they change the format. So now that I saw everything, now I'm pumped up and I'm psyched like sleep.
That's it. That's a unique ringtone.
Yeah. Yeah. So now I want to just go back home and just start training and be better and better. And you telling me that there's a lot of room to improve. That's even better.
Yeah, it's awesome. There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
So, how has it been for you balancing working with an Active Life one-on-one coach and working with a one-on-one CrossFit coach who's getting you really fit on that side, and we're making sure that you can do what he has you doing?
It was great because Mike, my coach, he understands, and he was like, okay, this is the program, give it to your Active Life coach and see what he says, and we'll work things out.
Was that a hard conversation for you at first where you said to him, I want to bring somebody else in, or was he totally open to it?
No. Since they came to me, I told them I had the knee problem, so they were like okay with it. They tried to help and everything, so it was good. Whenever I told about, I spoke with Active Life or stuff about you guys, they were like, great, do that. Let's get you healthy and get you ready.
And did you feel like when you were training, did it ever feel like you would like to be doing more of the fancy stuff, more of the high-end stuff?
Of course.
How do you get through that?
I guess you mentally think about, okay, you'll get there. Just you need to do this so you get better. So I actually saw improvement, to be honest, after doing the Active Life. We tested the 1 max snatch and I got a PR. And I was like, damn.
Haven't even been snatching.
Yeah, I haven't been snatching for like a few months even.
Right.
My clean and jerk was around there. I think I dropped like 2 kilos or something like that. Did better at 19.1, like 15 reps better. Yeah.
Nice.
Just the engine was a little bit
yeah.
out of order.
Well, and that's why I remember when we talked about it in the preseason, I asked you how confident you were that you were going to be able to do it if we programmed you like this. And you're like, yeah, no, I think I'll be good. And we said, okay, well then let's go give it a full go.
Yeah, it was great.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything else you want to ask me about? Any questions? Anything in the world?
No,
My favorite color is purple.
Corporal, like our gym, huh?
Maybe.
Yeah. No, everything is great. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks.
Awesome.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate you making the trip out here. I
Yeah,
know it wasn't
cool.
convenient at all.
It was okay. It was good.
All right.
Got to visit a little bit of New York.
That's right. You got another night.
Yeah. Cool.
Have some fun with it.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.